Hey guys, we're Logan and Rachel, and we have been converting a cargo van into our tiny home on wheels. In last week's episode, we started working on our bed, and as you can tell by our excitement, or my excitement, it turned out pretty well. So, we also went ahead and installed our ceiling slats, which really is starting to tie the whole van together. So, we're pretty excited about that. This week, we're going to be showing you how we built this beer cap table. Yes, Logan and I are so excited how this turned out, and we're going to show you all how we made it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, let us know what you think in the comments below, and let's go ahead and get started with today's vlog. Alright guys, so we're going to show you step by step how we are building this beer cap table on our van. So I'm going to bring you over there to show you kind of the stuff that you're going to need first. So let's go on over to the van, and don't mind of the mess, it's in construction. So the first thing we are doing is, we'll actually show you. So these are the drawer slides we are using. They can hold 500 pounds. I don't think we're going to be standing on our table just because of what we are planning to do with it. But, you know, we just wanted to be extra secure. So these are them. They're attached to here, and then they're going to come all the way out. And then we're going to do the table attached to here. So I hope that makes sense. So as you can see, when they come out, they'll come out all the way. So all of this will be the table. So pretty cool. So now I will show you what we're making the table out of. So we went over to Lowe's and measured this out to the width and the height, or the length that we wanted. We had them cut it because they do that there and it's extremely straight. So we just used this piece of plywood. It's hardwood, so it's not going to bow over time with the temperature changes and all that. So then we just are going to attach. These are 3/4 inch by, what is this? 2 inch? I can't remember. Yeah, off of the top of my head, but these pieces of wood are the really long ones that you can buy at Lowe's or any hardware store. So we just cut these out to frame it, and then we are going to attach them to the board. Also, this piece right here that you see, this is 3/4 inch wood as well. So we're just going to attach these on here with some wood glue and some really good sturdy nails. And then Logan brought out one of the beer caps that we're going to be using. So this, we're going to fill this entire thing with all different beer caps, and then put epoxy on top to make it thick and sturdy. So yes, that's what we're doing. So we're going to show you guys how it comes all together. So good.
Big thanks to my buddies John and Martin for helping drink all these beers so we would have caps for all of it.
That's true, that's true. So the next thing, we already have this cut out, ready to assemble. Now we're just gonna sand it really good and then put it all together.
Zip it with the sander and...
Yeah. And then lay out all the beer caps, because we still have to lay them all out.
I heard you're feeling better.
so last time you saw we had put the rails on. We put wood filler and glue on all the corners so everything's tight for the epoxy. Rachel went ahead and sanded everything, made it look very clean, did a great job. And we also did a couple hours of sorting beer caps. So we'll see how they place. We'll put them down with liquid nail, and then hopefully you'll join us and we'll pour it.
So you probably saw in our previous clips, we have built an outdoor table. I'm sure you guys have seen it already, but today I'm going to be working on this back wall area. I'm going to put up some really cool whitewash wood on it, just to give it a little bit of decor. So I'm gonna show you all that in just a second, but what I'm basically doing right now is I'm just doing a frame around this sides right here. I already have that side done, so I'm just using, these are 2x2s, poplar, so I'm just going to make a frame around the sides, and then we're gonna put the whitewash wood in, and I'll show you guys that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this frame dry really good. I'm also gonna put some nails in it just to be extra secure. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do for the middle part of this. Looks good! Okay, so I ordered this stuff off of Amazon. It is called Woody Walls. I will leave a link in it, of it in the description box. And I liked these because I wanted to do something on the back part of the bed. And I found these on Amazon. So they're just pieces of wood. These ones I got whitewashed. They have all different colors and wood tones and all that. So they're just super thin, super lightweight pieces of like wood. And on the back they have 3M tape, so they just stick right on to whatever you are trying to stick them onto. You can use these on like your walls in your house and all that. So I found these on Amazon, and I was like, that would be perfect just to give the back part of the bed some kind of decor. So I found these, and I'm super excited. The cool thing about these are each board is like slightly different. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but so yeah, I'm going to measure these out, cut them to the size that I need, and then we're gonna stick these bad boys on there. I'm really excited about it. So yes, let's get cracking. Hi guys. Don't mind the air conditioner behind me, but it has been a few days since we worked on the back bed area. So today we're going to finish working on that, and we're gonna paint everything, make it look all nice, and completely finish this back bed area. So I'm gonna put my headphones in and I'll give you some updates. Okay, so I just finished this little last tiny piece right here. Trying to get that right took me a lot more time than I'm willing to admit. But so now what I'm trying to do is, because we have this table that pulls out, I'm trying to find a way to attach the whitewash piece of wood on there so that it's flush with everything else. But one of the, I don't want to say issues, but one of kind of the dilemma is this board is super thin, as you can see, and I'm a little worried, like if I just have it on here like this and I go to pull it out multiple times over time, that this will break because this isn't very thick. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. And I think I'm just gonna take these little tiny pieces and somehow attach it to the back of this so that this is more sturdy. So hopefully that'll work. And then we can paint. And I'm obviously gonna put a really thin layer of silicone down, or not silicone, caulk down, just to kind of fill in all of the edges and make it look all nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put these little pieces of wood in there just to make it a little more sturdy, because I don't want it to break over time. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just abandon this part because I'm gonna have to go out and get like a handle. And I really don't want to run to the hardware store again today. So we're gonna kind of wait on this part real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and paint, and it's gonna really start to come together. So I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and paint this, make it look a little bit better. Guys, so here you go. This is the finished product. I am so excited how this turned out. I went ahead and finished everything on the back side. I also painted the back or the top parts of the bed, and while I had the paint out, I went ahead and painted the back of the cabinets also. So just an easy coat of paint really makes a big difference in the van. So super excited how this turned out. I love everything about this, so I hope you guys like it too. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this van build. Super excited about this pull-out beer cap table. Logan and I are both so excited about this, so we hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think of it, and make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in our next van build episode.